angle-side relationship theorem states that if two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle is opposite the longer side, given the sides of a triangle. And let us identify the largest angle. And to find for the largest angle, ang hahanapin natin o ang magbabasihan natin is the side. Alin ba yung longest side? So, kapag may given tayong triangle at mayroon tayong longest side, yung opposite niya is the largest angle. And pareho siya ng pag-identify ng smallest angle. Ang hahanapin naman natin shortest side. Alin ba ang shortest side? At ano ang opposite angle niya? At yun ngayon ang ating smallest angle. So let us consider this example. We have triangle ASY and we have a line segment AS. Our line segment AS is 11. This is the line segment AS. And also, we have the line segment SY is 12. And our line segment AY is 13. So in this given example, the longest side is 13. Right? So we have 13 as the longest side. So ano ba yung opposite angle niya? So pag sinabi natin opposite angle, katapatan. Ayun ang katapat niyang angle. So therefore, si angle ASY or si angle S ang ating largest angle kasi opposite angle siya ng longest side. And to identify naman the smallest angle, hanapin naman natin is the shortest side, which is line segment AS measuring 11. So anong opposite niya? Ang opposite niya is Y. So since angle Y is the opposite of the shortest side, so therefore angle Y is the smallest angle. Another one for angle side relationship theorem. It also states that if two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then the longer side is opposite the larger angle. Baliktad lang ito nung kanina. Dito naman ang given ay angles of a triangle at na-identify natin ang longest side and the shortest side. So let us have this example. Given this triangle ABC, wherein our angle A is 65 degrees. This is our angle A. And also our angle B is 70 degrees and our angle C is 45 degrees. So dito ang hahanapin natin is the longest side and the shortest side. So to find for the longest side, tingnan natin ang angle na may pinakamalaking angle. And this one, may pinakamalaking angle natin is angle B. Bakit? Kasi it measures 70 degrees. So si angle B ay naandito and we need to look for the opposite side. Again, yung katapatan niyang angle niya. So ito yung angle B natin and then the opposite side is this line segment AC. So since the line segment AC is the opposite side of the largest angle, therefore si line segment AC is considered the longest side. So to identify naman kung alin ang ating smallest angle, hanapin naman natin, shortest side. Ang kailangan ngayon nating hanapin is the smallest angle. So in this illustration, in this example, the smallest angle is angle C. Bakit angle C? Kasi ang measure niya is 45 degrees. So hanap ngayon ulit ang opposite ng angle C, which is we have here line segment AB. So si line segment AB ngayon is opposite the smallest angle. Therefore, si line segment AB is the shortest side.